Hey guys, this is Dr. Larry. By now you've already written down your smart solutions and put it on paper. If you haven't done that yet, check out my other video. In this video, we're going to talk about taking this to another level, how you can install your smart solution into your future so that your unconscious mind will attract the people, places, things, and experiences to make it inevitable for you to reach your solution. After all, a solution without a strategy is just a dream. Why is understanding your unconscious mind so important? Well, your conscious mind is your goal setter. It's the captain of the ship. Your unconscious mind is your goal getter. It is the crewman. If your conscious mind and your unconscious mind are in alliance, you will reach your destination. But if they're not in congruence with each other, it's a stalemate and you won't get anywhere. This is perhaps the most important part in reaching your smart solution. What step has to occur for you to know that you have reached your goal? Think about it. There's going to be some image you have in your mind. For example, if your goal was to make an extra $50,000, what is it that you're seeing in your mind? Is it walking through the bank? What is it that you're hearing other people saying? What is it that you're hearing yourself say to yourself? What is it that you're feeling inside when you've reached your goal? Or perhaps your goal was to donate 15 pounds, never get it back. What is it that you're seeing? Perhaps it's you standing on a scale and seeing that number that you want to see. What is it you're feeling inside? Or what is it that you're feeling outside, on your belt buckle when you've reached your solution? What I want you to do is take what you see, hear, and feel and increase the dial on all of these parameters. Make what you see very big and bright, full color, high definition. What you hear very loud and specific and clear in your ear. Take what you feel and make that feeling so strong that you almost feel like just getting out of your chair right now and acting on what you're feeling. After you've made this image as compelling as possible, I want you to imagine taking a picture of it and lifting it up like a file and moving it all the way out into your future and installing it right into your future where it's supposed to be. Now that you've put your solution into your future, you want to do something that puts energy into it. You can do a variety of things. You could do prayer, meditation. You can even do a little ritual or put some blessings onto it or breathe into it. Anything that solidifies that into your future that's meaningful for you is good. The next step is come all the way back to the present moment, be flexible and take action. What does be flexible mean? Well, if your goal was to make X amount of dollars and you were a little bit shy of that, it's okay. Celebrate it and just make a new goal again. The most important thing is to take action. Goals don't happen if you're just sitting in your bedroom. You got to do something to put this into momentum. If having a strategy for your solution is wrong, well then I don't want to be right. I'm Dr. Larry and we just had a moment.